Hey everyone, welcome back to Canvo. Today's logo tutorial is a special request from I.EC. We're going to design a creative high-five logo using Canva. Simple, modern, and perfect for your branding.
Canvoo.
Let's start designing the logo right away. First, go to the Elements menu and select the circle shape. Adjust its size to 160 by 160 pixels. We can enlarge the canvas size to make it easier to design. After that, click on the Stroke Style tool. Select a regular line and set the size to 30. Now, change the color of the center of the circle to white so it matches the background. For the sides of the circle, choose a green to blue gradient. Then, set the gradient position as shown in the example. Next, go back to the Elements menu and select a square shape. Change the color to white and place the square as shown in the example. After that, duplicate the square, position it, and adjust it carefully. Make sure the width matches the width of the circle's sides. Now, change the square's color to the same gradient, but adjust its position like this. Pull it up until the height fits perfectly. Then duplicate it again. Rotate it 90 degrees so it becomes horizontal. Place it carefully and adjust the width so it aligns with the cut of the bottom side of the circle. If something doesn't feel right, adjust it again until it looks balanced. Alright, once the main logo is complete, let's add the text. Change the font to Poppins so it blends better with the main design. Adjust the size and position so the logo looks proportional. Double-check every part of the logo. If everything looks good, group all the elements together. And here it is, the final result. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to Canvo for more logo design tips. See you in the next video.